All right, a little less than 8 minutes before we get to a very tumultuous opening bell.
Right.
I think it's fair to say.
Even though I would like to have a Shake Shack burger right now.
I think we'll have one during lunch. They're going to do the honors ringing the bell in about 7.5 minutes. But let's get to something away from DeepSeek and the implosion going on about some of the hyperscaler spending plans potentially. Talk SoFi.
Right. Now, SoFi is Anthony Noto. He's made a major turn. The stock used to be much lower. The shorts were all over it. He just delivered consistent. He's flipped the model to be a little more financial service and a little less banking. He does report this morning. Now, people are going to say, wait a second, it must have been a miss. No, the actual quarter was good. It must be the forecast. Only one line, the EBITDA was light. People were looking for 905 million. And they came at 845. My problem here, David, is why would I sell it over a forecast and not the fact that it's doing quite well? And the answer is DeepSeek. In other words,
it's just getting caught up in that.
Because
it's not because it's had such a great year and a great move. Obviously,
it's the kind of the secondary of like, well, wait a second, have we overstayed our welcome in a red hot stock? And I think, David, the red hot stocks today are trading as a unit. And SoFi is being caught up in that. Now, do I want to buy SoFi? It's just had such a big move. That's the problem. We've had stocks that have such big moves. Why do we just come in today and say, you know what? I'm going to buy it down 10 without any particular answer. And so what people are going to say is, I want to see what happens during the day. I feel that way myself about a lot of these, like a GE Vernova, which I've really liked for a long time. But do I want to step in right here with the GE Vernova and say, this is it? I don't feel capable to be able to say this is it. SoFi, GE Vernova, none of these.
You can see what we're looking for in terms of an open that's a little less than 6 minutes away. By the way, you can catch us anytime and anywhere by listening to and following the Squawk on the Street Opening Bell podcast. We're back in just a minute.